Welcome to the Agentforce MuleSoft series, where digital transformation meets intelligent automation. Today, I'm kicking off the Agentforce 2026 series, starting with the Innovator module, Use Employee Agents to Get Work Done. Now, imagine beginning your workday like this. It's a crystal clear morning at Coral Cloud Resorts. Coffee in hand, you step outside as the sun rises over a shimmering bay. Sailboats glide across the water, seagulls circle overhead, and the beach slowly comes alive. Guests out for a jog, breakfast tables being set, and the day just beginning. You're the new daytime concierge, responsible for making every guest's stay effortless and unforgettable. Today marks an exciting moment at Coral Cloud, the launch of AI employee agents in Salesforce. These agents help manage reservations, recommend excursions, and instantly route cases to the right teams, so everything runs seamlessly. With intelligent tools at your fingertips and a stunning setting around you, you're ready to deliver the ultimate Coral Cloud guest experience. To get started, we'll first create a new login so the employee agent is available for access. Let me quickly log in and set up the account. In Salesforce, go to Setup Launch Einstein Setup. Turn on all three options: Einstein Prompt Builder, enable Agentforce integration. Navigate to Agentforce agents. Toggle the switch to enable integration. And with that, we wrap up the Welcome to Coral Cloud Resorts module. In the next module, help a guest out of a soggy situation. The resort is buzzing with morning activity, brunch stations, guest experiences, and a relaxed island vibe. Just as things settle down, an urgent call comes in from housekeeping. A guest, Lucy Todd, returns to her room to find water flooding the floor and dripping from the ceiling due to an overflow in the room above. She needs immediate assistance. As the concierge, your task is to act fast, coordinate with the team, find her a new room, and if possible, provide an upgrade to turn an unfortunate situation into a great guest experience. To continue with the hands-on exercise, open the Coral Cloud Resort app. From there, open the Agentforce panel, then select Agent menu and choose Guest Agent. Follow the on-screen instructions or refer to the module if you need step-by-step guidance. In the Agentforce panel, copy and paste, show me Lucy Todd's reservation, then press enter. The agent returns Lucy Todd's reservation details. Click on the reservation record R0016 and then copy and paste. Is the presidential suite available for the next 4 nights? The agent confirms availability and provides the room details, then asks if you'd like to proceed with the booking. Back in the Agentforce panel, copy and paste, please move Lucy Todd from her current room to the presidential suite. The agent confirms that Lucy Todd has been successfully moved to the presidential suite. To verify the update, close the Guest Agent panel and navigate to the Reservations tab. In the recently viewed list, click on Lucy Todd's reservation record R0016. You'll see the room type updated to Presidential Suite. Next, we'll generate a confirmation email. Within the Agentforce panel, ensure the guest agent is still selected. Copy and paste the text. The agent generates the email, review the content, make any edits if needed, and then click Send Email. The email opens in a template. Once you're satisfied, click Send to complete the process. Miss Todd is relieved and moves to her new suite with staff assistance. You apologize for the inconvenience. Crisis averted. Click Check Challenge to earn 500 points and complete the module. Next up, solve the case of the missing diaper bag. The resort is buzzing, guests are relaxing, but suddenly a panicked mom rushes over. Her toddler's diaper bag was left at a beach cabana and it's missing. While you direct her to the front desk for supplies, you spring into action using the customer service employee agent to create a high priority case for housekeeping and track down the bag fast. To continue with the hands-on exercise, open the Coral Cloud Resort app. From there, open the Agentforce panel, Then select Agent menu and choose Customer Service Agent. In the panel, copy and paste. Create a case to find the lost blue and white striped diaper bag. The agent confirms the case is created. Since assignment rules aren't set up, the case is initially assigned to you. Click the case number ending with NEN68 to open the case feed. Then copy and paste. Reassign the case to housekeeping. The agent confirms it's successfully reassigned. Next, escalate the case by pasting. Change the status to escalated. The agent updates the case status. If the updates don't appear, refresh the case by clicking the case number again. You're confident the housekeeping team will locate the diaper bag quickly. Click the check challenge to continue helping guests. Next up, navigate guest experience bookings. Time to unwind. As the resort settles into a calm evening, you're swapping stories by the fire pit when a guest, Miko Mistumi, approaches with a concern. His family's Coral Bay cruise may cause seasickness, and he's looking for a land-based experience that still celebrates the ocean. It's time to cancel the cruise and help his family book a better fit experience for tomorrow. From there, open the Agentforce panel, then select Agent menu and choose General Agent. In the Agentforce panel, copy and paste, show me the experience bookings for Miko Mistumi. The agent displays 3 bookings for his family. Click the booking record B00107923 for the 2:30 p.m. Coral Bay cruise to open the booking details. Next, copy and paste. Please cancel the booking tied to this session. The agent confirms the booking is cancelled and the status updates to cancelled. Now it's time to rebook a new experience. Miko chooses the Magical Aquarium Tunnel Tour. In the Agentforce panel, copy and paste. What is the next available Magical Aquarium Tunnel Tour session for 5 people? The agent returns an available session and asks to confirm. Copy and paste. Yes, book it for Miko Mistumi's family. The agent confirms the booking is complete. Click the new booking record B0107924 to view the updated details. Wrap up. With Miko's family happily rebooked, you return to the fire pit after a successful first day. Employee agents helped streamline routine tasks so you could focus on what truly matters. The guest experience. Don't forget to check the challenge to earn your badge. This helped me successfully earn and complete the Agentblazer Champion 2026.
If you're ready to future-proof your skills, tackle real business challenges, and be part of the Agentforce evolution, hit that subscribe button and let's build together. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll dive into Agentforce basics and the topic center. You won't want to miss it.